Hi guys, I will show you a very easy recipe for delicious and decadent Brazilian chocolate truffles. You need these simple ingredients from your pantry. In a wide pan, take 2 tablespoons butter, 400 grams or 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk, a quarter cup of cocoa powder, a quarter teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and switch on the stove. Keep the flame on low throughout to prevent burning. Stir continuously throughout and scrape the sides frequently. The mixture thickens gradually. Make sure there are no lumps. I will give you 3 clues to know when it has thickened perfectly. The mixture stays apart for 3 seconds when you scrape your spatula across. The mixture separates from the pan and clumps to one side. If you tilt the pan, the mixture slides across easily. Perfect! You will get this within 5 to 7 minutes when you cook on a low flame. Now, grease a plate with butter. Pour the truffle mixture onto this plate. And let it cool for 20 minutes. The mixture has cooled. Now, grease your hand well with butter. Scoop a spoonful of mixture into your hand and shape it into a ball. Do this for the entire thing. Your chocolate balls are now ready. Now for the topping. Grate some good quality chocolate. Roll the balls in it till they are coated well with the chocolate flakes. That's it, you're done. They're so delicious, smooth, rich and melt in your mouth chocolatey. I love them. Enjoy! If you like this video, please like and share it. And for more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.